Do you struggle with sharing the right patient information with clients and referring practices? ezyVet's Clinical Summaries gives you the freedom to completely customize the information you share. Build summary templates to create a foolproof way to share key information with clients and referring practices. Let's jump straight in and show you how. One way referrals are sent with an ezyVet is from the clinical record via the Summaries tab. Start by using a pre-configured clinical summary template, which is set to auto-populate with your patient's details. Then, build out your summary by dragging and dropping which sections of the clinical record you want to include. You're free to edit the clinical summary template if you need to tailor the message further. You can also preview the clinical summary prior to sending. Once you're ready, simply add the client or referring clinic's email addresses and hit send. The ability to send patient information through ezyVet makes things easy for you and the team. Clinical summary templates minimize double handling. You no longer need to retype, print, or export patient clinical summaries, even though you have the option if you need to. Vets and vet techs even have the flexibility to customize their own clinical summary templates. Each team member can customize their unique settings from within their profile, with easy access by selecting the username in the top right-hand corner. From there, they can get creative and start customizing the default clinical summary template that works best. ezyVet gives you the ability to choose what information to include and exclude, which email and document templates to send with each clinical summary, and the data display settings. Get your team to start creating customized clinical summaries today. It's an effortless way to enhance daily clinical processes. To find out more about how your team can strengthen their clinical operations, head to our Tips and Tricks episode, The Ultimate Clinical Workflow.